Are you ready to level up your career and unlock new opportunities? Well, with our self guided course, Effective and Fun Networking, you'll be able to do exactly that. In this self guided course, you'll discover the power of strategic networking in your second language and master the art of creating connections that last. Whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, we've got the tools and tips to help you network with confidence. No awkwardness, no guesswork. In our 20-minute training video, we'll go through all the steps before, during, and after to make the whole networking process as seamless as possible. You'll also receive an exercise with an answer sheet to practice some vocabulary and key phrases. And you'll get a cheat sheet that you can use as a reference whenever you're ready to start networking. And last but not least, you'll also get the chance to book a free 30-minute course with one of our coaches so you can practice what you learned. At Verbatim, we're so excited to help you develop the language skills you need to open up new opportunities for you personally and professionally. So come join us on your language journey as you improve your English networking skills.